Hi, I'm Mike, and today you're watching Mt Shasta Escape with Joline, Kashie, Sadie. It's February 8th, 2024, and we are at Lake Siskiyou at a parking lot just before the dam. So anyway, we're just going to take a look at the lake, and then we're going to go down that box canyon trail so we can see if the water's going over the spillway. And I brought a drone with me this time, and see if I can't fly a drone and get a little better view of the dam, the spillway, and maybe down in the canyon.
I think we need to go back that way.
Okay.
We can probably get up this. I don't know, what do you
Up to
think?
you. I don't care.
Okay, I probably can do this. That's not so bad.
Well, I don't see any signs of a high water mark, which means the water is there.
Yeah, well, let's see.
These buoys are totally floated all the way across.
Looks like, yeah, it's...
And when every one of these floats is floating from the shore all the way across over there, that's no sense.
possible that it could get a little higher.
What?
It might have been up to here.
Just take a look at the spillway from the top first.
Sure.
Why not? Fair amount of water going through there.
Yes.
It is not going over the spillway.
Go over the spillway.
Oh, I thought it would be.
Yeah, it sure isn't.
Oh well.
See, well,
Disappointment.
yeah,
They're certainly letting it out at a high rate.
yeah,
Well, the lake is full, but they're trying to keep it
yeah.
from going over the spillway, and they're trying to lower it, obviously, too, for flood control later.
Yeah.
And I would have to guess that it's been over the spillway
Uh-huh.
at some point, but at the moment, they've gotten ahead of it.
Mhm. Yeah, interesting. After all that rain over the weekend.
Yeah. We're gonna have to go over those trees to get to the canyon,
Uh-huh.
or just go straight through there to get to the canyon. It could be
Yeah.
a little safer.
Could be. What do you want to do?
Yeah, I'll fly it from here.
Yeah.
Take off. Voice updated.
I'm not too worried about other aircraft in the area, so just try to watch the drone.
Mainly trees, I think, are the...
Good view of the water coming out.
Mm.
The base there.
Yeah, very nice. You go up a little higher?
First look we've had of
Oh,
that.
that's very cool. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, you're going to get some good shots out of this. Golf course.
So you see it? Oh, I see it now.
Yeah, there I see it. Okay. Yeah, I lost it. Going down.
Yeah. There we are.
See it?
Good.
Yeah.
Now that I can see it, I can be a little.
Yeah. Okay. That looks pretty good.
As I keep saying, I will get better at this.
Yeah. Yeah. When you don't know quite where it is, but you say it should be close.
Yeah.
It's kind of nerve-wracking.
I was trying to keep my eye on it. I tried to be good.
Yeah.
Problem is, you got to look down at the controller,
Yeah.
and then you look back up and you lose sight.
Yeah.
It's actually a pretty canyon, pretty river. You just can't get into it.
No. It's too steep.
Sure, it's easy to lose sight of that little bugger.
Sure is. Yeah, I had no idea it was over there.
Yeah, no, when I can see it, I mean, it's really easy to control, but then when I start going totally from the...
Well, it seems like, yeah, you were kind of down in the canyon and I couldn't see it, and then I kind of quit looking for it.
Yeah, I wanted to get it in the canyon, but then when I tried to bring it back out, I...
Didn't know where it
see it.
was.
Too, when it's up against the sky, you could see it, but when it's up against the dark green background over there, it would suddenly disappear.
Well, you can see it in the movement, but...
So this whole visual line of sight thing, I get it. I understand it.
We're trying.
But it's not so easy. Anyway, it's the first time I really had a good look at how they're letting water out from below the dam there. Yeah, I think maybe yesterday, the day before, we might have seen it over the spillway. But they're dumping it out fast. Fascinating to see how long it takes for somebody to clear this, or if they ever...
Yeah, if it ever gets cleared, you'd have to, because... Yeah.
So it broke off there. That's where it came from. It just wasn't dead yet.
It just wasn't dead.
It was still alive.
But it was an alive tree.
I guess they've had some wind through here.
Yes.
It's usually what makes all these things fall.
Oh, it's a doodle.
He's a friendly one.
Yeah.
Well, she barks, but she is friendly.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah. Never see anybody out
Go
here,
ahead.
so
You're the first one.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
haven't been here this year, but I do
Go
come
on.
down here quite.
Yeah.
We're taking good. We're all.
There you go.
Go say hi.
You guys might be related, huh?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Yeah. Way back when. Okay.
He got a little. But he's a Labradoodle.
Yeah, they're Aussie.
They're both
doodles.
Aussie doodles.
Okay.
So they got the Australian Shepherd.
Dogs.
Yeah.